In this video, I show you how to fix Discord not opening or stuck on starting. In some cases, you may also have the Discord gray screen issue. Start by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape on your keyboard, or right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Select the search box, then type in Discord. Right-click on Discord, then choose to End Task. This will close Discord. Click the cross to close the Task Manager. Right-click on the Start menu, then select Run. Type in $appdata%, then press Enter. Press the D key on your keyboard to be taken to folders that begin with D. Select the Discord folder, then right-click and choose to delete. On Windows 11, you will need to click the bin icon. If you use the public test build version of Discord, then delete the Discord PTB folder instead. Launch Discord. It will take a little longer to load as all the files we deleted are being recreated. Sign in when prompted, and the Discord not opening issue should be fixed. If it's not, then open the Task Manager and close Discord again. Right-click on the Start menu, then select Installed Apps. This may be called Apps and Features on Windows 10. Select the search box and type in Discord. Click the three dots on the side of Discord. On Windows 10, you may just need to click on Discord. Choose to uninstall, then select Uninstall again. Click Yes if asked to allow changes to be made. Wait for Discord to uninstall. Go to the Discord website and select Download from the top. Make sure you are on the official Discord website. Click the Download button and wait for the Discord installer to download. Open the Download Manager, then click the folder icon or the Show in Folder button. Double-click on the Discord setup file and complete the installation of Discord. If Discord still won't open or is getting stuck on starting, then go back to the Discord download page on their website. Scroll down until you see the Feeling Experimental heading. This is the public test build version of Discord, which is almost identical to the standard version. In some instances, this version may work for you while the other one doesn't. Click the Download Test Build button, then install it once done. Alternatively, you can use the web version of Discord by clicking the Login button in the top right corner. If you're already signed in, then it will say Open Discord. You now know how to fix Discord not opening or stuck on starting issue. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.